welcome to the Health Site and I'm Sakshi. Sushmita Sen has been in the news since yesterday because former IPL chairman Mr. Lalit Modi has announced that he's dating Sushmita Sen. Yes, you've got that right, Miss Universe, the actress Sushmita Sen. Since then, her fans have gone crazy. They are searching on the internet that what is her age, what is her workout routine looks like. So in this video, we are going to share some tips that Sushmita Sen follows in order to keep herself healthy. Number 1. Core care. This workout also increases your efficiency of burning calories, helps to keep your heart healthy and improves your agility. Number 2. Exercise for flexibility. Sushmita works out to keep her shoulders and spine flexible by doing a set of anti-gravity exercises including ring rows and ring dips. The Bollywood beauty and pageants love to do body weight training and believes in the mantra, stay strong and be different. Number 3. Nutritious diet. She maintains a healthy diet which is nutritious to the core. She begins her day with a breakfast of ginger tea and 3 egg whites and a bowl of porridge and vegetable juice. Her lunch includes of rice, dal, vegetable, curry or meat, and she has a fruit afterwards. In the evening, she has a bowl of upma or idlis with coffee. Number 4. Swimming. Sushmita never skips her exercise, but if in case she does not go to the gym, then she swims and does cardio. With this, she burns a lot of calories. Swimming is the best natural exercise that keeps the muscles active and it enhances overall health and well-being. Number 5. Yoga. The actress has shared many photos of yoga on social media. In these pictures, she's seen doing headstand, which is one of the yoga postures. She's also a follower of meditation. She meditates to calm her mind. If you find this video useful, do share with your friends and family. And for more such health-related video, log into our website, which is known as The Health Site.